Hello everybody, my name is Anay and I'm back with another video. This is a military plane. I know it's not much of a military plane because military planes have all those missiles, but it's a kind of a military plane and it's a kind of a normal plane. So now let me show you the things this does. There's an openable hood here. This is the cockpit. So let me show you the cockpit now. That's the cockpit. In the cockpit there are two control sticks. A panel here and a panel here. We can just close that without any trouble. But we cannot put a minifigure because you see there is absolutely no space for a minifigure. It will not fit. The landing gear can fold up on all four sides, here, and here. There's a little of a lab kind of section over here. See, that's the lab section. There's like a computer, a telephone, and there's also another panel in here, but you can't see that. And now there are two stabilizers here, so they can move up and down. So the other thing, there are two stabilizers. This is for like gliding mode. This is for this is if we don't need any use of this, gliding mode and super mode. On the wings also we have stabilizers over here, so this can make it go up and down. On the other wing as well, up and down. And this can open also, so if we want we can hold on to this and then we can parachute out. And then there are two giant rockets at the wings. The wings are pretty huge. And this is the back tail. And this is the thing. If you want this plane to go up, these two boosters will push the ground and make this plane go up. If you want it to go back, these boosters will push it back so the plane goes back. And if you want it to go down, this will make it go down, this mode. And that's it for this thing which I made. Tune into my videos to make more videos. Please comment and subscribe to make me put more videos for you. Bye, that's it for today and peace.